Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of travel planning with a high-tech twist. In this video, we'll explore 7 innovative ways to leverage technology for seamless trip planning. So, let's buckle up and embark on this digital journey together. Number 1. Virtual tours and travel apps. Let's start our tech-savvy trip planning adventure with virtual tours and travel apps. Platforms like Google Earth and TripIt offer immersive virtual experiences of destinations, allowing you to scout out attractions, accommodations, and dining options from the comfort of your couch. These apps also help you organize your itinerary, store important travel documents, and receive real-time updates, making trip planning a breeze. Number 2. AI-powered travel assistants. Next up, AI-powered travel assistants are revolutionizing the way we plan our adventures. Services like Google Assistant and Siri can help you research destinations, book flights and accommodations, and even suggest personalized travel itineraries based on your preferences. With just a simple voice command, you can access a wealth of travel information and streamline your trip planning process. Number 3. Augmented reality for destination exploration. Augmented reality is not just for gaming. It's also a powerful tool for exploring destinations before you even set foot there. AR apps like AR City and Wikitude overlay digital information onto the physical world, allowing you to visualize points of interest, historical sites, and local landmarks in a whole new way. By leveraging AR technology, you can gain valuable insights into your destination and enhance your travel experience. Number 4. Crowdsourced recommendations. When it comes to trip planning, crowdsourced recommendations from platforms like TripAdvisor and Yelp are invaluable resources. These platforms aggregate reviews and ratings from fellow travelers, giving you a comprehensive overview of attractions, accommodations, and dining options. By tapping into the collective wisdom of the crowd, you can make informed decisions and discover hidden gems that guidebooks may overlook. Number 5. Smart luggage and packing apps. Gone are the days of lugging around bulky suitcases and forgetting essential items. Smart luggage equipped with GPS tracking, built-in chargers, and digital locks ensures that your belongings are safe and secure throughout your journey. Additionally, packing apps like PackPoint and TripItPack help you create customized packing lists, taking the stress out of packing and ensuring you're well prepared for your trip. But wait, here's where things get really exciting. Imagine a world where you can virtually test out different vacation scenarios before making your final decision. With the latest advancements in virtual reality technology, you can immerse yourself in a variety of travel experiences, from beach getaways to mountain retreats, giving you a taste of your dream vacation before you even book your ticket. How cool is that? Let us know in the comments below which destination you'd love to explore in virtual reality. Number 6. Travel budgeting and expense tracking apps. Managing your travel budget is made easy with the help of budgeting and expense tracking apps like Mint and Trail Wallet. These apps allow you to set spending limits, track your expenses in real time, and receive alerts when you're nearing your budget threshold. By harnessing the power of technology to monitor your finances, you can stay on track financially and make the most of your travel funds. And the last one on the list is language translation apps. Language translation apps are indispensable tools for navigating foreign lands with ease. Apps like Google Translate and Microsoft Translator offer real-time translation capabilities, enabling you to communicate effectively with locals, read signs and menus, and immerse yourself in the local culture. With language barriers out of the way, you can confidently explore new destinations and forge meaningful connections with people from around the world. As we wrap up our tech-enabled trip planning journey, I hope these 7 ideas have sparked your imagination and inspired you to embrace technology in your travel adventures. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends who love to travel, and subscribe to our channel for more innovative travel tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planning and safe travels!